What is semantics and why is it key to language? Imagine trying to share a story without words or gestures. It would be nearly impossible to understand each other. That's where semantics comes into play. It is the part of language study that looks at how words and sentences carry meaning. Think of it as the meaning behind the words we use every day. Semantics helps us understand how humans connect language to ideas, feelings, and shared knowledge. When people communicate, they don't just exchange sounds or symbols. They also share what those sounds or symbols stand for. For example, the word dog isn't just a sound. It refers to a furry animal that barks and wags its tail. Semantics explains how that connection works. In the study of how language developed over time, semantics is very important. Early humans might have started with simple sounds or gestures that meant specific things. Over thousands of years, these sounds and gestures became more complex, forming words and sentences. By studying how meanings change and grow, anthropologists can see how language evolved from basic signals to full-blown communication systems. From an anthropological point of view, semantics shows us how different cultures interpret words differently. The same word might have different meanings depending on where you are or what community you belong to. This helps explain how language is tied to culture and social life. When we look at language development, understanding semantics reveals how humans use language to express ideas, emotions, and social bonds. Semantics also helps us trace connections between languages. By comparing how different languages use similar words and meanings, linguists can figure out how languages are related and how they spread across regions. This is key to understanding human migration and contact between ancient groups. In everyday life, semantics influences how we interpret messages. When someone says it's cold in here, we understand if they want the window closed or if they're just commenting on the weather. Context, culture, and usage shape what words mean in different situations. This shows that meaning isn't fixed but flexible and adaptable. In summary, semantics is the foundation of how language makes sense. It links words to ideas and feelings, allowing us to communicate complex thoughts. For those studying how language developed and how humans have used language through history, semantics is a vital piece of the puzzle. It helps us see how language reflects human cognition and social life, making it a key part of understanding our past and present.